Hey everybody, this is Drew, coming back with an inbox review of the Academy 1/72nd scale A-37B. This is the Dragonfly. It was a Cessna, originally used as a trainer, but they turned it into a close air support fighter bomber, and it was known as the Little Tweet because of the loud whine of the engines that it made, but apparently it was pretty fairly successful in Vietnam. And so let's take a look here. This is kit number 12461, and another picture of the box art. Here's some photos of the built-up model. You can see it's in the Southeast Asia camouflage. And looks like you get several different types of bombs and ordnance. Alright. Side, of course, different information in different languages. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Just some paperwork. Everything's in one bag. Decals and instructions. So we'll come back to that. Let me get the bag open and we'll take a look at the sprues. Okay, the clear parts are in a separate bag, so I'll leave them there. But they look pretty clear. I don't see any seam lines or anything. It looks pretty good. Ooh, this thing is small. Look how little that is. I've been doing these 172 kits lately. They're a lot of fun, but they could be a challenge at times. But we'll use the one with the tail. So the fuselage half is only about 4 3/4 inches long. Man, that thing is small. A 172 jet. But again, it's a little Cessna. And, okay. So, you do have some good, some decent surface detail. There's the ejection seats, or you have some drop tanks. They do have engraved panel lines. Looks pretty good. There's a console. And here is the cockpit tub. There's the instrument panel. Doesn't look too bad. One side, next sprue. This is sprue C. You got rockets, rocket pods, and looks like you get a lot of weapons. That's pretty cool. Some bombs here. It's nice because they're all in one piece, so you don't have to worry about any seam lines. Looks like these right here glue together. Okay, and the last little sprue is this is actually sprue B. It's got the wings. Wings there. This should be fun. Single piece wheel and struts. Tires. all one piece. Okay. There's the decals. Pretty decent. Looks like you get another marking. I think that's maybe Brazil or Argentina. Double check. Too bad. Okay, decals don't look too bad. So let's see how they work. And okay, this is the marking options. This is United States Air Force A-37B 8th SOS, Ben Ho Air Base, Vietnam, 1970. Again, Southeast Asia camo. And the other marking option is, Korea, sorry, Republic of Korea Air Force. A-37B, 8th Fighter Wing, 1996, so still in use into the mid-90s. Okay. Alright, so it's on a separate sheet, and of course instructions. And of course, just standard, start with the cockpit. No crew figures on this one. But what I've seen on other people's builds, and there's not a whole lot on YouTube of this kit, but it goes together pretty well. So just hopefully be a fun, relaxing build. Despite the tiny size. And of course, there's all that. Different armaments. Canopy. So you can pose that open or closed. And then putting together the rockets. And tells you kind of how to load it. So, well, another unusual aircraft that you often don't hear much about. So, there it is. We're gonna okay, so stay tuned for the next build videos of this, and I appreciate everybody watching. And if you enjoy my videos, take a look at some of the other videos that are popping up on your screen. I do appreciate it. And everybody take care. Hope you have a happy holiday season. And Happy New Year to everybody. Take care.